Next on the list is a revolution surface. So going back to CATIA, I did the recording already and it didn't take, so I'm going to be doing it again. So this is the revolution that we're going to create. I'm just going to delete this geometrical set and start from scratch. So under student, you click on that and then pick the geometrical set to create a new geometrical set. We're going to name this revolution surface. It's actually called Revolve. So you could name it Revolve if you want. So this will be your footnotes on how to do it. What I'm going to do is pull my construction geometry out of hide. The same spline I used to create the extruded surface will be the same one I use for the revolution. So under the surface tab, find Revolve. Again, if you put your cursor there long enough, it'll tell you what it's going to do, and you can hit F1 for more help. This profile, first thing in the pop-up windows ask you for a profile. This sketch is my profile. The axis of revolution, in this case, I'm going to use this H for the axis of revolution. And I had 360 in there. The default is 180. And so I show you can do 180 both directions. What you can't do is change this to 360 and hit apply because it's going to overlap itself and not know what to do with it. All I have to do though is change this to 0 and hit apply, and that is how you get a full revolution. Select OK, and again, to do a half revolution, or if you ever want to modify it, you can just double click on it and you can change it to a 180 and it does a half revolution. If I double click on it again, I can change this one to 180 and change this one to 0, and it goes the opposite direction. For this example, we'll leave this at 360, so I'm going to change this to 0 first so it doesn't beep on me, and then change this one to 360. And that's how you do a revolved surface.